Whoa.
It's there right there, bro.
Here, Ron, put another whistler in there. Holy, you're making a bomb. Holy mackerel.
I only have 5
This is going to be
fireworks.
one big mama. One's bomb. We're going to see how that goes off. That is a whistler with how many on the side, Sean? How many
5.
supercharged? 5 supercharged on the side. And that will be going off in the future. We'll be right back with that one.
Alright, Brian.
Alright, Sean. Here goes Sean with the bomb, and we'll be right back when he sets that off. Bomb. Not getting too close to this one. Oh, beautiful.
Did you get to the top part?
Sean's bomb. Down with his bomb. Who the hell knows what he's doing, but...
This fucking thing has no head anymore.
What was that language there?
Stealing one of you asshole. Yeah. Ah. Feeling it?
Yeah.
Oh!
That was a nice one. Thank you.
Oh! Let me put one of the
Very hot. Very big damage. That's what it'll do to your hand. As you can see,
Right.
it's pretty hot. Look at that.
Right here.
That's damage number 1.
Right.
Let's go to number 2. That flew over here. And you can see it went right here, exited. And a little bit out the back. And we'll be back. Real cool of you there.
Yeah.
so one of us can walk up there and get hurt.
Ron, what made you do that, huh?
Blown up the chair.
Let's see what today's date is. Ron, we're getting close to 4th of July here.
This.
Let's go see the damage.
Is that you, Brad?
Done.
All one firecracker right here, right?
Look at all that damage. And Sean's damage up there. Right there.
And who's showing right there?
One thing, boom. And we'll be back.
I knew it. You didn't know shit, boy.